In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tags in Airtable, so you can organize your records with color-coded labels and multi-select options. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your Airtable base and navigate to the table where you want to add tags. You might already have a table for projects, contacts, or inventory. Any table can benefit from tagging. Once you're in the right table, look at the column headers at the top. You'll see a small plus icon at the far right of the header row. Click that icon to add a new field, which is just Airtable's name for a column. This is where your tags will live. A menu will pop up asking you to name your field. Type something descriptive, like tags, labels, or category. I find that tags is the most intuitive for most workflows, but choose whatever fits your data best. Next, you need to set the field type. By default, it might say single line text, but you want to change that to multiple select. This is the key step. Multiple select allows each cell to hold more than one tag, which is the whole point of tagging. Now scroll down to the options section. Here you'll see a box where you can type in your desired tag names. You can add as many as you like. Common examples might be urgent, design, client, or completed. For each tag you type, you can also assign a color by clicking the color dot next to it. Colors make your data scannable at a glance, so choose a system that makes sense to you, like red for priority and green for done. Once your tags are entered, click the blue Create Field button at the bottom. That's it, your new column is live. Now when you click any cell in this column, a drop-down list appears showing all the tags you defined. You can select one or multiple tags per cell by simply clicking each one. You can also add new tags on the fly directly from that dropdown by typing something new. Airtable will offer to create it for you. This makes tagging fast and flexible as your workflow evolves. You've now successfully created tags in Airtable, giving you a powerful way to filter, sort, and group your records by category or status. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.